In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best workbench. So let's get started. Number 7. Black plus Decker Portable Project. This portable, heavy-gauge steel workbench has a 550-pound capacity and includes a one-handed clamp system. Adjustable swivel pegs support and secure various shapes, including oddly shaped pieces. This bench is great for carpenters, mechanics, and DIYers. One of the best things about this bench is that the adjustable jaws and vertical clamping are very flexible and stable when you're clamping an object. Overall, it is very sturdy and durable, is simple to fold up and store on the garage wall, and the height is adjustable. The top sections also slide in and out for easy configurations, depending on what you're working on. Number 6. 2x4 Basics Custom Workbench. This workbench has 4 legs and 6 shelf links, but the lumber for assembly is not included and must be purchased separately. The brackets are made of heavy-gauge structural resin, and the shelves and workbench can be customized and configured to suit your work needs. This workbench is simple to build and features a design that self-tightens the frame as you go. It's easy to produce a straight and level bench because the prefab legs do much of the work. It's also very flexible, sturdy, and solid. In addition, the workbench is lightweight and easy to move, and even if you don't bolt it to the wall, it's still rigid and secure. Number 5. Worx Pegasus MultiFunction. This portable, multipurpose workbench converts to a sawhorse with no assembly required. It's compact and lightweight, and is just 5 inches wide when folded. The workbench can support up to 300 pounds, while the sawhorse supports up to 1,000 pounds. It includes 2 quick clamps and 4 clamp dogs to secure a variety of shapes and materials. The top measures 31 inches by 25 inches. This folding workbench is stable, flexible, and strong. It sets up in just seconds and is very solid, even though it's made of plastic. It includes aluminum bar clamp rails, depressions on each side for screws, pencils, drill bits, etc. Number 4. Keter Folding Table Work Table. If you want the best bang for your buck, check out the Keter Folding Table. It helps you carry out different projects with ease, from commercial construction work to home improvement projects. Its work surface measures 33 by 21.5 inches, and it's nearly 30 inches tall when set up. The strong steel legs offer the support you need when performing any task. The unit has a lightweight design and a sturdy carrying handle, so you can take it with you just about anywhere. The work table is made of heavy-duty resin and features aluminum legs. Weather-resistant polypropylene makes it resistant to rust, peeling, and denting. Number 3. Black plus Decker Workmate. We've included the Black plus Decker Workmate portable workbench in this guide because of its compact design, supportive structure, and versatility. It also happens to be one of the most affordable workbenches on the market. You can use it in your home and on other projects. It will make a great work table when you're painting your home, and you can also use it outdoors when cutting lumber for woodworking projects. It weighs just 7.8 pounds and can be carried with relative ease. The Black plus Decker Workmate is loaded with many great features. It can be folded and unfolded for quick projects at different work sites. And despite its small size, it supports up to 350 pounds. Number 2. Seville Classics UltraHD. Sleek, sturdy, and well-engineered, Seville Classics has created a movable workbench that can stand up to big and little jobs. The heavy-duty all-steel frame makes it a solid workbench that adds a glimmer of style to any garage or workshop. It is versatile in its function and stocked with secure storage and a heavy-duty worktop. A stainless steel door with a firm lock is flanked by 12 drawers, 4 large and 8 small, with rubber-padded liners. The drawers slide open for easy access to tools and are wide and deep enough to easily keep large and small tools organized. The tough 5-inch heavy-duty wheels make moving the hefty workstation an easy endeavor for one person over a smooth surface. The thick worktop can take a beating and maintain its level surface. It falls in the mid-price range for workbenches while topping reviewers' lists for versatility, durability, and attractive appearance. Number 1. Seville Classics. The perfect table to bring an updated look and better lighting into a dark workshop, the Seville Classics lighted workbench features 2 stainless steel drawers and a heavy-duty steel frame. It can hold a maximum weight capacity of 600 pounds, and the workbench can easily be adjusted with the leveling feet at the bottom of each leg. The 4-square-foot pegboard is fastened to the back of the workbench, providing ample space for tools to be hung, and holds a fluorescent light at the top which illuminates the 37.5-inch high, 8-square-foot beechwood surface area.